Prif Minister, dwi'n cytuno gyda'r ateb hynny, but I submitted this question last week before 29 people were arrested in London over the weekend during a peaceful protest. This is the age we live in at the moment, unfortunately. The stimulus for this question was Caerdydd Students for Palestine. They've been protesting at Cardiff University campus for peace in Palestine since last year. When Cardiff University called the police, a police spokesperson said that the situation was a peaceful protest which required no further intervention. However, Cardiff University then hired a law firm that secured a civil injunction that is currently plastered across the university campus, warning amongst other things that no one may enter, occupy or remain on the campus for the purpose of protest. A UN watchdog has described this as a flagrant violation of international human rights. The injunction threatens prison, seizure of assets and fines for violating the injunction. We have reached the point where those peacefully protesting, calling for peace, may fear being arrested and defend themselves in court. If peaceful protest as students led to prison, then most people here in the chamber would have lengthy prison convictions themselves. Does the First Minister agree with me that imprisonment is not an appropriate response to peaceful protest? And how will she safeguard the democratic right of protest here in Wales? To come out?